Will you be able to download knowledge like Neo in The Matrix? Remember the scene? Neo sits down, a technician plugs him in, and suddenly he knows Kung Fu. It's a cornerstone of science fiction, this idea of instant knowledge acquisition. But how close are we to making this a reality? The concept of directly downloading information into our brains is tantalizing. Imagine bypassing years of schooling, instantly mastering a new language, or acquiring complex skills in moments. Is this just a fantasy? Or is there a scientific basis for it? Our brains are incredibly complex networks. Learning involves strengthening connections between neurons, creating pathways for information to flow. Traditional learning methods, like reading and practice, gradually build these connections. But what if we could bypass this slow, incremental process? What if we could directly stimulate the brain to create these connections, essentially uploading knowledge? Scientists are exploring various techniques to influence brain activity. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, uses magnetic pulses to stimulate specific brain regions. Studies have shown TMS can enhance motor skills and even improve memory. Another promising area is transcranial direct current stimulation, or TDCS. This technique uses a weak electrical current to modulate brain activity. Research suggests TDCS can accelerate learning and improve cognitive performance. These technologies are still in their early stages. They are far from allowing us to download entire skill sets like Neo. However, they offer a glimpse into the potential for directly influencing brain function. The human brain is incredibly complex. We are only beginning to understand how different brain regions interact and how learning actually changes the brain's structure. Mapping and replicating these intricate processes is a monumental challenge. Ethical considerations are also paramount. Who would control this technology? How would we ensure equitable access? And what are the potential risks of directly manipulating the brain? Despite the challenges, the pursuit of instant knowledge acquisition is driving innovation. As our understanding of the brain deepens, we may find new ways to accelerate learning and enhance cognitive abilities. Perhaps one day we will have devices that can subtly stimulate the brain, optimizing learning and memory. Maybe we will even develop interfaces that can directly transfer information into our neural networks. While a full Matrix-style download may still be decades or even centuries away, the future of learning is undoubtedly being shaped by these advancements. The potential to unlock human potential is immense. Imagine a world where anyone can quickly acquire the skills and knowledge they need to solve complex problems. Think of the breakthroughs we could achieve in science, technology, and the arts. The ability to download knowledge could revolutionize education, accelerate innovation, and empower individuals to reach their full potential. It's a future worth exploring, even if it seems like science fiction today. So will you be able to download knowledge like Neo? The answer is still uncertain, but the journey to unlock the secrets of the brain is underway, and the possibilities are truly mind-blowing.